Is this the beginning to the biggest bull run in history, or are we crashing down to zero? Go ahead and stay tuned and go ahead and watch the video until the end. What's up, guys? How's it going? Zoltaev here, aka John. Is this going to be the biggest bull run that we've been waiting for, or are we going to be going to zero? Let's go ahead and go straight to the charts, and let's go ahead and talk about what's going on. All right, guys, but before I do go ahead and move forward, I do want to say I am not a financial advisor. Anything I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you guys are not aware, there's a lot of stuff going on right now with the war with Ukraine and Russia. I'm not really going to go ahead and talk about it, but I am going to briefly touch bases on it and what it means and what it means for the market. All right, guys. So with what's going on, I really do think it was all set up fear tactic to go ahead and get people worrying and what's going on. But in reality, I really think this is a good buying opportunity, and I really do think this is going to be a push to the upside of the overall market, guys. So if you guys go ahead and check out the charts, if you go ahead and head over to the 15-minute chart right now, we are extremely oversold. We have been getting extreme volatility, which I am not surprised. I think this really is the last drop before we do go ahead and have a massive pump to the upside, guys. So we have broken resistance. Like I said, we are currently oversold right now. It is not looking really good too much. If we look over at the 4-hourly, we've already broken support once, twice, and if we do break below 32,000, we will be seeing Bitcoin going way, way, way low to $27,000, guys. So let's go ahead and switch over to the daily. So like I said, on the 4-hourly, it is looking, it was overbought for a minute. Now it's going into oversold territories probably in the next few hours. On the daily, it is currently oversold, so we do need to go ahead and bounce back to the upside. So everybody has been waiting for this. We couldn't hold support. It broke with the news of what's going on, which, by the way, I don't know why, if there's anything going on with wars or the economy. Tell me why, and what does it have to do with crypto being sold off? Like, how is that going to go ahead and help you? Is being in fiat going to go ahead and help you in this situation? It's not. So I don't know why everybody is panicking and selling crypto, which was a currency that was created to go ahead and not be governed. Yet people are they're getting scared and they're selling it. It really bothers me on how uneducated people are. People really have to go ahead and begin waking up and really see the bigger picture of what's going on around here. But this does not surprise me. Obviously, some news had to go ahead and happen to go ahead and take down to the low side. So right now we currently are looking at 34,000. Do expect possibility of maybe seeing 32,000 if it does break below that. Do expect it to drop down to $27,000 Bitcoin, and if $27,000 Bitcoin does happen, that is a very strong support, guys. So check this out: 27,000 right there, 27,000 right there, and right here. So we do have very strong support on the 27,000 mark. So let's go ahead and see what's going on, guys. A lot of very uncertain.
Mr. President, this looks really bad, sir. The doctor's research was leaked and it has left unrest within the country. This is not good.
In the market right now, people are uncertain what's going on. We are currently oversold on the weekly as well. So it is not looking too well right now. And the month is ending. So what a great way to go ahead and end the month, right? With nothing but bud. So let's go ahead and switch over onto the whole overview market. Everything's red, guys. Everything is insanely red. I think this is a whole buying opportunity. This is pure manipulation. Do not fall for this. Go ahead and educate yourself, guys. Do not panic. I know the market is looking pretty scary right now, but do not panic. This is the time you guys should be buying on the red. Remember to go ahead and buy the dip. So check this out, guys. So crude oil is about to hit $100 a barrel. I've been telling everyone for the past 2 years that this was going to happen. And obviously, with what's going on right now with Russia, Ukraine, there you go. Crude oil is probably going to go ahead and hit $100 a barrel probably by tomorrow by the time we wake up. I've been calling this out for years now. For 2 years, I've been talking about how crude oil was going to go ahead and hit $100. And check it out. It's finally come. They need to go ahead and have a catalyst for this, guys. It's really crazy how set up all of this really is. All of these current events are back to back and they are all meant to be. There is no coincidence to any of what's going on in the current markets. This is all by design and it's all planned in an agenda. They literally have board meetings where they go ahead and decide on what to go ahead and spread FUD on today. So let's go ahead and switch over to the MMRI. What is this? The Mandarino Market Risk Indicator. We are currently down in moderate. We will most likely see massive panic by tomorrow. You guys will be watching this video. So today is Wednesday my time. So you guys will go ahead and begin seeing massive red in the markets tomorrow, probably the whole end of the week, before we do go ahead and get some bullish indicators. On the monthly, it is looking green so far, but we'll go ahead and see how the month ends. Like I said, this is pure FUD, guys. Do not panic. And if it does drop, do expect Bitcoin to drop to 27,000. And who knows, that might be the end of the market, right? I personally don't think we will be entering a bear market due to the fact with everything going on right now. With all of that being said, do you guys really think they're going to go ahead and let big money, by the way, big money, do you really think big money is going to go ahead and park their money in fiat? No, they are not. This is their last opportunity to go ahead and drop the market one more time before we have the biggest bull run in history. I really do believe there is going to be one more last pump. Who knows how long it will last? And the market can't continue to always go up, guys. Keep this in mind. I don't know why everybody expects the market to always go up. It does not work that way. We needed to go ahead and cool down before we could go ahead and make massive gains to the upside. So I really do believe this is going to be the last dump to go ahead and shake the weak hand. So congratulations to all your paper hands that you guys are now out in the market. You guys will highly regret it. And, I've been telling everybody, go ahead and buy the dips. This is going to be the biggest bull run in history, and they don't want you to be involved. So what is the best way to go ahead and spread out fear and go ahead and get you wrecked out of your positions? All right, guys? So prepare for this market to go up even higher now with what's going on, with confirmation of what happened. I really do think that was the indicator that we really needed news to go ahead and push this market higher, guys. They are going to do anything and everything in their position to go ahead and push it to new all-time highs. But before I do go ahead and move forward, I do want to go ahead and say thank you to our sponsor, MetaFest 22. You should be seeing a trailer right now. So, yeah, guys, so keep this in mind. This is all made by design, and there is no coincidence to anything of what's going on. Go ahead and stay prepared, guys. Continue to buy the dips, not financial advice. And if you guys cannot handle the volatility in this market, you guys should just go ahead and sell out at a loss, or just completely go ahead and turn off your devices and take a break. We will be seeing some volatility in this market, but this will go ahead and pump up higher. You got to keep this in mind. The higher ups do not care what they have to do, what wars you have to cause, what kind of panic, what kind of inflation, whatever crashes, whatever scandemics you have to go ahead and create to go ahead and have these breakouts to the downside, guys. This is the way the causes to go ahead and buy the dips. I am very limited to what I could go ahead and say. You know, YouTube will definitely go ahead and block a lot of things. But if you guys would definitely want to go ahead and hear more about what, what my mindset is behind all this BS market that really goes on, go ahead and check out our Discord channel, guys. It's currently free right now to everybody who is subscribed. Comment down. The link will be down in the comment section. So go ahead and check that out, guys. That is valued at $3,000 and is currently being free given to you guys. Like I said, in that Discord channel, you will be able to go ahead and get our plays from Kyle and I, NFT plays, altcoin plays, and as well some technical analysis onto the projects that we see value in, and as well, we'll go ahead and do weekly live calls with all of you guys. So go ahead and definitely check that out on the comment section. I will be putting a link. Like I said, I'm very limited onto what I can really say. Freedom of speech does not exist anymore, guys. So stay aware of that. You guys have a good one. Keep your guys' head up. And if you guys need to, definitely go ahead and take a break on the market. I think this is extremely bullish news. People are just overreacting and panicking. So do expect this market to dip possibly even lower. But I'll promise you guys, all these dips will be bought up right away. As soon as you guys go ahead and sell, there's going to be big whales buying in, massive money buying in. So, just go ahead and be careful. Like I always say, invest in where you're willing to lose. Keep your head up and watch out who you guys listen to. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys on Friday. I will be doing an update. Like I said, if you are looking for a buying opportunity, right now it is. And like I said, if you can't handle this market, I would recommend you guys to go ahead and pull out. Until later, guys, catch you guys on Friday, and thank you for all your support.